At this intersection, the left turn signal can be either in a protected or an unprotected phase. Inexperienced drivers have an increased probability of misreading the phase and making the turn into the path of oncoming vehicles or pedestrians in the left crosswalk. There are two common reasons that can cause this error. First, the inexperienced driver fails to perceive and react correctly to the phase change. Here, the green arrow indicates the protected left turn phase. Now the signal changes to the unprotected phase. If the left-turning driver fails to perceive and correctly react to the phase change, that can initiate an errant left turn into the oncoming traffic. The second error occurs when the left-turning driver automatically follows the lead vehicle through the intersection regardless of the phase of the left turn signal. Here, the left-turning driver is visually and cognitively fixated on the gold Honda to the front. Because the turning driver is totally focused on the gold car to the front, the phase change of the left turn signal goes completely unnoticed. If the left-turning driver does not quickly perceive and react to the phase change of the left turn signal, a collision will likely be the result.